on behalf of World Pharmacist Day 2021. So, as a member of evaluation committee for this e-poster competition as well as video competition, I would like to give my views how the posters was and how we had observed this one and what are the requirements for the good posters which is presented in online mode so that in the forthcoming time the students will able to improve themselves or implement the different technologies ideas so that they could give themselves a very good presenter. So first of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee that they have given me opportunity to as be an evaluator for this national level e-poster competition. And here nearly 50 evaluate posters were available for the evaluation, including the e-posters and the videos made by the students from the various part of the India. The number of students who has participated, mostly they are from the degree course, that is D-Farm, and few of them they were from PG courses and few of them were from the diploma courses. So that was open for all the students, but most of the students were from the degree courses. And I appreciate all the students who has participated actively and they had presented their posters in this competition. It was a tough competition to the evaluators that we had evaluated the posters whatever it was in front of us. The presenters who had presented the posters, they were of a very good kind, and we it was a challenge to the evaluators that who will be the winner, who will be the second runner, the second runner up, like that. So depending upon the contents whatever the organizing committee has made or the different what do you say, the templates they had given for preparation of the posters as well as the video, according to that we had just evaluated these posters as well as videos. The many posters they were having in the line of templates what were been provided by the institute, as well as the preparation of the video by the students, they were of having good quality, but few of them they didn't submitted. Nearly 4 to 5 students they had not or they may not be able to submit the video, that's why these were out of the remark. So this is my remark as an evaluator for those who had not submitted the video, because it was one of the requirement. Or three to four posters they were such that we could not evaluate it. Why? Because whatever the font size it was mentioned by the organizing committee in the template, so it was not matching with that, so that we could not be able to evaluate them properly. So we had given that remark against whatever the findings we found in the evaluation. The rest of them they were having nicely prepared, some of them out of template, but they were prepared in a such a manner because they were handmade. This they didn't use the online template, but they had prepared on their own using the standards which were provided in the template, and we had considered them also, and we found that was again good because as it was handmade, because they had taken a very good what do you say, efforts to prepare that, and the time also they had given to prepare that particular poster as well as the video on that. One thing I found in this e-poster competition related to the video presentation with the e-poster, that the students which are from second year or third year mostly, so they are having a very good presentation. This platform is said to be the platform to upgrade the students, that how a presentation can be done. So these students who had presented the video, I found that whatever the communication skill they are having with them, so it was a good one. Even the way they had presented to the poster, again that was a very nice. I appreciate all of them who had given the videos with their good communication skill as well as the presentation skill. And these skills, they made themselves be in the competition, and few of them were very appreciable, and we had considered them also for the award. As an evaluator, it was a tough competition always when the students, they are giving their best when they are presenting themselves in a competition. Again, there is a competition to us also to choose the winners, runners. So that was again a challenge in front of us. Out of them, again, depending upon the criteria what the organizing committee had given, as well as the presentation was given by the student, we had selected the first runner, the first winner, then the second, as well as the third, as the prize was declared by the institute with prize money 1501 rupees and a certificate for the winner. For the second, it is rupees 1001 and the certificate, and for the third, rupees 501 and the certificate. Apart from that, as an evaluator, we had discussed among ourselves and the organizing committee that we found some of the good presenters from these also. So with their permission, we had given an appreciation for the students. Out of these, two students we have selected, and we had given an appreciation certificate. So this was from the evaluation committee. Now I request the host that they should go forward for this Zoom meeting to declare the winners, runners, and the appreciation posters from this evaluation committee. And I thanks principal and the organizing committee for giving me an opportunity to have talk with the students in this poster competition result declaration Zoom meeting. Thank you, everyone, and all the best.
Thank you.
Sir, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time for the moment. Most of the students are awaiting from the 1 week for the announcement of the results. Finally, it's my pleasure to hand over today's session for the announcing of the results of the e-poster and video competition on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day towards the respected principal Dr. S.S. Patil sir, Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga.
Okay, thank you, Irshad sir. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. First, I welcome all the participants, faculty members, organizing committees for this Zoom meeting. Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga has organized a very good event, that is the national level e-poster competition on occasion of World Pharmacist Day. Friends, with certain mottos, Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga has organized such a wonderful event that there is to increase the interest of student on this research activities, as we are facing the problems which relates to the pandemic condition from last 2 years, and though students are not having the sufficient material for this research activities, then also we have received number of research paper in this national level e-poster competition, and our scrutiny committee of this Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga has evaluated the posters very thoroughly, and they have reached to certain decision. Friends, whatever posters we have received, all these submitted by the students from different classes. As per my opinion, there is nobody's first, second, or third, nothing else. All the students those who have submitted the paper are very, very excellent. They are very dynamic future pharmacists. Only just by due to addition of some research points in their posters, they are categorized into first, second, third like this. Otherwise, all posters are very good. They have submitted the posters as per our templates and our evaluation committee has finalized that. As though it is our duty to declare the first winner, second, and third, and some appreciations are there, appreciated posters are there. But remaining students, those have not received the prize, these posters, these papers are also very good. So all are very dynamic future pharmacists, and really we are in the need of such a very talented pharmacist in future days. So as result which has been finalized by our evaluation committee, I'm going to declare that results of this our national e-poster competition. So the first prize goes to Kolpe Ruturaj Abhijit. This is the students of Vivekanand Education Society's College of Pharmacy, Mumbai. The runner-up is prize goes to Gore Avinash Bharat, and he is from Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga. And third prize goes to Sagar Pradnya Nitin, and he is from Dayanand College of Pharmacy, Latur. Apart from this, our committee has given the prize for again two posters which are appreciated posters, and this goes to Bharti Vidya Lakshman. He is from School of Pharmacy, SRTMU Nanded, and Kalaskar Kashmira. He is from LSDP College of Pharmacy, Mudgaon, Pune. So these are the winners of this e-poster competition, which is organized by the Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga. Last but not least, I'm very much thanks to all organizing members of Maharashtra College of Pharmacy, Nilanga, evaluation committee, and especially the participants who have submitted their posters